By 2026, the software engineering landscape has fundamentally shifted. We have evolved from the era of AI copilots, which merely suggested code, to the era of agentic workflows, where AI acts as an autonomous engineer. Unlike its predecessors, an AI agent navigates entire code bases, understands architectural patterns, and performs self-debugging tasks without constant human intervention. This transition enables a single developer to command the productivity of a 10-person team. Through agentic deep work, complex tasks are split into parallel streams, with each agent specializing in specific outcomes. We are no longer just coding, we are orchestrating autonomous systems. The barrier to entry has moved from sheer human hours to superior system architecture. By 2026, Cursor AI has evolved from a simple code editor into a sophisticated architectural platform. It acts as the primary environment for modern full-stack engineering. With its integrated AI assistant, Cursor enables developers to manage complex architectural shifts, such as refactoring entire transport stacks or TLS protocols with natural language commands. At its core lies the contextual awareness engine. Unlike standard IDEs, it indexes your entire code base into a vector database in real time, maintaining a semantic understanding of architectural patterns. This indexing pipeline ensures the AI stays synchronized with every change. It maps your logic, allowing the platform to suggest code not just by syntax, but by its structural role within the project. Developers no longer write line by line. Instead, they act as lead architects, guiding the agent to fold complex logic and deploy sophisticated SaaS features in seconds. In the landscape of 2026, Antigravity stands as the industry standard framework for autonomous middleware. It serves as the connective tissue, allowing disparate AI agents to communicate via standardized protocols. By acting as a central hub, Antigravity connects isolated SaaS tools like Stripe, AWS, and communication platforms into a unified, responsive ecosystem. This orchestration transforms manual coding tasks into seamless, automated pipelines. It eliminates technical bottlenecks, allowing solo developers to scale operations that previously required large teams. By enabling autonomous middleware, Antigravity shifts the paradigm, from managing code to orchestrating complex agentic intelligence. In 2026, leverage is defined by the Pareto principle. Solo founders now spend 80% of their time on high-level system architecture and only 20% on reviewing AI-generated output. The solo founder acts as both CEO and CTO, managing a micro-corporation powered by agentic workflows. Technical barriers have dissolved, leaving system architecture knowledge as the new capital. Success is measured through digital maturity and operational efficiency. By leveraging autonomous middleware, founders achieve revenue scales previously reserved for 10-person teams. The era of monolithic software is ending. We have entered the age of composable AI SaaS, where developers treat intelligence as a modular component. By assembling pre-trained agents, we build specialized solutions that were previously impossible to ship as a solo entity. Vertical SaaS strategies prioritize extreme efficiency in niche industries. By focusing on specific high-ticket problems, a solo founder can capture significant market share without the broad, resource-heavy overhead of horizontal SaaS models. The rapid application development cycle is the engine behind the 72-hour launch. Through continuous prototyping and AI-driven construction, developers bypass months of manual coding, shifting from development to deployment in a matter of days. This business model represents the invisible company. It scales globally without a single W-2 employee, relying instead on autonomous agentic workflows to handle planning, execution, and reflection. The founder is no longer a coder, but an AI architect. In the landscape of 2026, recursive automation enables businesses to transcend manual operations. Systems now employ AI agents not only to author code, but to monitor the entire lifecycle of the product. By integrating cloud health diagnostics, AI agents proactively manage infrastructure. The system automatically identifies resource bottlenecks and shifts loads, ensuring operational stability without human intervention. Furthermore, AI continuously analyzes customer sentiment through real-time feedback loops. This data directly informs product roadmap iterations, allowing software to evolve at a velocity previously unattainable. This creates a self-optimizing business model. The AI architect manages the code, the cloud, and the customer experience, effectively turning the startup into a self-improving digital machine. We are entering an era of voice-driven software generation. Developers no longer manually write boilerplate code. Instead, we describe the application logic through natural language. By sketching database schemas and UI layouts via voice, systems generate functional modules in real time. This accelerates the path from idea to production by orders of magnitude. This evolution gives rise to headless companies, organizations operated by clusters of autonomous agents. These agents handle accounting, dev, and market analysis, creating an agent-first economy. The competitive edge has shifted. It is no longer about technical execution. It is about high-level systems architecture and effective prompt engineering. The constraint is now our imagination. Success in the age of AI begins with a systematic roadmap. Modern founders must move beyond reactive coding, adopting a disciplined process that spans from initial concept to final market deployment. Mastering verticalized problem-solving is the new competitive advantage. Instead of building general-purpose tools, founders now leverage AI to solve highly specific industry challenges, creating defensible, high-value moats. Execution requires the Unite framework, distinguishing between core and differentiating business activities. AI agents excel at managing non-core operations, allowing the architect to focus human energy on business differentiation. We conclude with a vital principle. While AI agents handle the technical burden and recursive automation, they remain tools. In 2026, the ultimate limiting factor is not your technical capacity, but your human imagination. You are the architect of the machine.